So I thought it'd be nice to do some mindfulness in this space. I'd encourage you all to find a special space near your home. This one's got a lot of memories for me, but it's actually a sandstone scar that was an ice age scar, and like through the eons of time people have been here, and apparently there was a civilization here just in the Bronze Age. And I remember coming through here with my kids when they were just very young. It's a special space, and it's a quiet space. Today's really windy, and it's out of the wind. Beautiful colours of green, nice spring-like colours, but we're still in winter time. So I'd encourage you to get somewhere special for you, somewhere that feels like a safe space where you can just get present, just notice what's happening around you. Maybe just breathe a little. Notice your breathing. Fill your lungs with a beautiful breath through your nose. And just allow each breath to be fully breathed out. Just use your diaphragm to push the last piece of breath out of you before you inhale again. And as you're inhaling, it's always good to start noticing the smells. So often we don't. And today I'm smelling spring arriving. And quite often as well, you don't notice the colours, and just notice the colours that are happening around you. You've got these beautiful vivid greens of algae and moss. Also there's grey greens, dark greens, muddy greens, browny greens. So many greens in this space. What are you noticing about the colours? What are you noticing about the sounds? Got a beautiful squally wind today, just rubbing it across the top of the pine trees behind me. Just incredible energy. You feel small. Just allow each breath to relax you. Just allow each breath to be noticed. And perhaps even notice, what's going on in your head. How busy is it? Does it need to be relaxed down? Allow each breath to exhale any anxieties. Just allow yourself to wonder. Yeah, wind's really special. Wonder where it came from. I think we've got a westerly today, so it came all the way across the Atlantic. It's blowing over me right now. Amazing. Please get out. Enjoy nature. So powerful.